Hey, what's going on, guys? GB back here, and today in this video, I'm talking a little bit quiet because my brother's asleep. He's right above us, but today, me and a friend of mine, we built this little crazy circuit here. It looks pretty crazy. Actually, we got a scope set up here, too. Just to kind of... Yeah, so we built this thing. This thing is like a little shocker, so I don't recommend touching both ends of that because it's just weird. But this here is a DC power supply. So we have a 6-volt battery connected there to this DC outlet. We also have a solar cell, so it can be powered off of solar. And to test out, one thing to test this out is Midland WR100 right here.
120.
Or 120. 100.
So these are regular AC outlets, but I just ran DC through them because
this is the shocking circuit. So this thing's a lot of fun. And over here we have the quite shocking. And over here we have a Oscilloscope set up just so we can see the. But here we got the switch here, so the radio starts up.
This is the indicator LED that tells you that it's getting powered.
Yeah, just a simple LED indicator. And over here, this is the shocking circuit. So yeah, I don't recommend touching these two plugs.
Together because you'll short it.
We get the probe set here and here, positive and ground, or just probe, ground, whatever. And then over here we got the scope set up. I don't know, actually, if I want to try and hit auto again, maybe it won't do channel 2 again.
No, it'll do channel 2, it's just not connected correctly.
Yeah, channel 2 keeps wanting to turn on. Whatever. But, yeah. And, there's this weird, can you take the camera real quick?
Yeah.
Just so you can, so I'm going to touch both of these. This is about, like, 32 volts, so it's pretty low, so. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got this circuit not diagram, but I just put it together off of I found it. I just search snap circuits shocker on YouTube, and you'll find the original.
Yeah. So and then right here we got this potentiometer, so we can change. Okay. We'll have to. I'll come back to that. Then right here, this is a variable capacitor.
Yeah, trimmer capacitor.
And then you can it's very slight change. It's kind of hard to see through the camera, but there, if you just kind of focus on that, you can kind of see it. Flatline. Alright, and then over here, the potentiometer. I'm gonna just slowly kind of raise this.
It gets crazy after you raise it to a certain amount.
Oh, nice and slow already to the end, and there it is. So this is pretty low. This doesn't, you don't feel much if you, okay, and then, what? I just picked that up for a second, and look.
I'm crazy.
I don't know what's happening there.
The radio test.
The service office in Green Bay. Additional data from marine observations are courtesy.
The radio works too. Everything is working on there. This is a 9-volt radio, but we're just running off of 6 volts because, I mean,
it's not really it's not optimal. You shouldn't really. Well, we could do it, but it's really underpowered. If you're gonna do something like this, you get like a 6-volt battery or something. Since this circuit here draws a lot of amps, the guy who made it originally was using just like a AC adapter.
Look at this thing, it's just crazy. So I put the potentiometer all the way down, and the trimmer capacitor is like all the way up here. 48 volts. If I turn the trimmer capacitor down, I'm gonna try and get a higher voltage out of it. It's distorting a little bit, so we can't really tell what this is. I'll just hit, if you hit auto again, it just kind of auto zones back to.
And now we got channel 2.
Yeah, it's channel 2 again. And just click that. And there you go, back to normal.
I would demonstrate the solar thing, but we don't have. Do you have a light, like a flashlight or something?
9 o'clock. We can't really go outside to test it, but I don't have a flashlight. Oh, do you have your phone on you?
Oh yeah.
It works with the phone, I think.
Let's find out. So, I'm gonna disconnect this though, because it will draw way too much.
Yeah, that's gonna draw way too much current. So yeah, we'll connect this shocking circuit. This is the second load onto the DC power supply. We're just gonna see if we can test the radio with solar.
Well, I first want to see if it even powers.
Indicator. So turn your phone light on and put it right up to that solar cell, We're disconnecting the battery as well. Battery's completely disconnected, and hopefully it works. Hopefully the phone light works. I think it does, but we'll see. Oh,
It's very dim.
it's working here. Put your phone light right up to it. Yeah, look at that. It's very dim. It's not producing very much current, but it works. Here, should we try and...
Not, it's too little.
Yeah, it's not going to produce enough current to start that up.
We're just on
It's
enough
kind of like
voltage.
jury. This isn't even like necessary. This is just to keep the two. We have alligator clips in there running to this, so we can connect this right to DC. Don't plug this into a normal outlet, or something bad's going to happen to that. Because normal outlet is 120 volts or 220, depending on where you live. I think it's like 120 or 220.
Well, 120 in America. There's other places. It really depends, but
Yeah, but I don't recommend plugging that in directly when it's set up like that. You're supposed to
no.
use the normal. You
That's
just cut.
You do not want to do that.
We just cut an old cable for a WR120 and then put some alligator clips on it.
Yeah.
Just so we can use it with this as a demonstration. It still works just fine. Everything.
I would recommend using something like this to wire it, where it's just like a.
Yeah, we use just an interchangeable plug
Yeah.
here, and
Just power this up.
yeah, we just
again.
wired that up in there. Just a pretty simple little circuit. This is a pretty short and just kind of thrown together video. I didn't really plan on making this. I just figured I'd make a little video real quick. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more of this, just let me know, and we'll hopefully be able to do more with this kind of thing, because this is a lot of fun. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. See ya.